Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is just my personal experience using this service. Today, we're taking a closer look at Varo Money, available at www.varomoney.com. Varo offers a suite of financial products designed to help you manage your money more effectively. They provide a checking account, a savings account with a competitive interest rate, and tools to help you budget and save automatically. One of the key features of Varo is its focus on accessibility and affordability. There are no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no overdraft fees, which can be a huge benefit for those looking to avoid unnecessary banking costs. They also have a large network of all-point ATMs, allowing you fee-free access to your cash. Varo also offers early direct deposit, meaning you can get paid up to 2 days earlier than with traditional banks. This feature can be extremely useful for managing expenses and avoiding late fees. Furthermore, Varo provides helpful budgeting and saving tools within their app. These tools allow you to track your spending, set savings goals, and even automate your savings, making it easier to reach your financial objectives. Varo has positioned itself as a mobile-first banking solution, emphasizing the convenience and ease of use of their app. You can manage virtually all of your banking needs directly from your phone. They've designed the app with a user-friendly interface, making it simple to navigate and understand. While Varo provides a compelling alternative to traditional banking, it's important to consider your individual needs and compare it with other available options. If you're looking for a no-fee banking experience with a focus on accessibility and mobile convenience, Varo is definitely worth exploring. For more information, be sure to check out their website at www.varomoney.com. And as always, remember that this is simply my personal experience with the platform. Your experience might vary, so be sure to do your own research before making any financial decisions. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.